Exponent. Today's question: fifth root of 8 to the power 2x minus 8 equals to 1 by 16 times 1 by cubic root of 4 to the power 6 minus. So we will find out the value of x. First, this one we can write 8 to the power 1 by 5, and then to the power 2x minus 8, because we know nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n, equal this one 1 by 16. We can write what? We can write, suppose 2 to the power 4, and then here is 1 divide cubic root of 4. We can write 4 to the power 1 by 3, because nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n, and to the power 6 minus. Okay, then this is 8. We can write, we know if a to the power b and to the power c, it means a to the power b. Same thing here is 2x minus 8 divide 5. Okay, and here this is 1 by 2 to the power 4. This one we can write 2 to the power minus 4, because as per negative exponent we know a 1 by a to the power n equals to a to the power minus n, and here this one we can write 4 to the power minus 1 by 3, similar thing, and to the power 6 minus x. Okay, now here is 8. This one we can write 2 to the power 3 times 2x minus 8 divide 5, equal, here is 2 to the power minus 4 times this 4 we can write 2 square, and then times minus 1 by 3, and here power is 6 minus x. We can write times 6 minus x. Okay, now look, if we synchronize, or it means 2 to the power, it will become 3 times 2, it means 6x minus 3 times 8, it means 24 divide 5. Okay, and look, here is 2 and here is 2, base are same. We know if base same, it means a to the power m times a to the power n. We can write a to the power m plus n. So same thing, here is 2, and then what? Minus 4. Okay, then plus these things we can write, look, 2 times minus 1 by 3 times 6 minus x. It means what? Minus, divide 3 here, 12, and minus what? X. Or here is minus, so we can write minus, consider minus, so it will be minus and minus, it will be plus, right? So same thing in here, we can write first 2 times 6 minus x divide 3, and this minus will be in here. Now look, here base are same. We also know if a to the power m equals to a to the power n, Once base are same, then power will be equal. It means m equals to n. So 2 and 2 is okay. Now 6x minus 24 divide 5 equals to, here is minus 4, then plus, right, here is 3, and minus 12x, sorry, minus 12, and minus plus 2x. Okay, it's a very interesting thing. Now what can we do? Two things we can make, like 6x minus 24 divide 5 equal minus 4, plus we can take common minus, so here will be 12 minus 2x divide 3, and then 6x minus 24 by 5 equal minus 4, and this plus and minus will be minus 12 minus 2x by 3. Okay, then we can transfer everything to left side. It means 6x minus 24 by 5, this minus 4 become plus 4, and this plus minus become plus 12 minus 2x by 3 equals to 0. Now look, what is the LCM? Here is 5 and here is 3, co-prime number, therefore LCM will be multiplication of 5 and 3, it means 15. So 15 divide 5, it will be 3, so 3 6x minus 24 plus 15 times 4, it will be plus 15 divided 3 will be 5, so 5 times 12 minus 2x equals to 0. Now we can multiply both sides by 15. If we multiply here 15 and also 15 here, this 15 and 15 out, and 0 times 15 will be 0. So we can write here 3 times 6 is 18x, minus 3 times 24 is 72, then plus 60, then plus 5 times 12 is 60, and plus and minus, and here is 10x equals to 0. Now we can make summation in here. 18x minus 10x, it will be what? It will be 8x. Here is 60 plus 60, 120. So 120 minus 72, it will be 48. Okay, so we can write plus 48 equals to 0. Then here 8x equals to plus 48, we can subtract both sides by 48, so it will be minus 48. Now we can divide both sides by 8, so we will get x equals to minus 48 by 8. We can divide 48 by 8, so it will be 6, 8 by 8, it will be 1. So finally x equals to minus 6. Big math, small answer. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. MathZip is my channel. Here you will get lots of this type math. So please also share with your friends and family.